Hey guys, welcome to Automotive Technica, and now I'm going to show you the brightness of XPulse OE headlight. This is the low beam and this is the high beam. I'm going to change this OE to the aftermarket headlight, which is the total assembly of it. So that is called as a Spitfire and the Thunderbolt. So I'm going to have the similar kind of looks, that is called Thunderbolt, and Spitfire will have individual lenses. So I'm going to have the Thunderbolt and show you the difference in brightness for this bike. So guys, I have changed the headlight. It's a plug to plug replacement and the size is almost same. Looks similar, but there is one round DRL and across horizontal DRL. So this is, there are two LED, one in here and one here. They are bright and very intensive, and let's check how does it look with the DRL on. So here is the ignition. It's quite bright, and there is one switch I have put it for here as an amber LED. So amber DRL is looks like this. So if I switch off, it is white and amber. So just for aesthetic purposes, it looks quite good. Now let me fire up the engine and show you how bright it is. Stay tuned. So guys, now I'm at a moderately lit area. I'm firing up the engine and you'll see the low beam. So this is the low beam and this is the high beam. I'll take it to the dark and show you one more time. So guys, this is the low beam and see the brightness of the high beam. The low beam and the high beam. And now a real mighty king comes here. This is Mad Dog Lights, Scout X. Well, thank you. So friends, let me know your comments and how do you feel this replacement of the headlight. It's a socket to socket, and there is one extra pin for the amber DRL, which you have to connect it through the ignition from a switch, and I have pushed the switch here. So this is the switch and goes to the red and black wire which is inside the socket. I just push it and through that I give to the amber LED DRL. So this looks good, and yeah, if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel Automotive Technica, push the thumbs up button and stay blessed.